Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. In the ever-evolving world of hair care, we often find ourselves bombarded with an array of synthetic products promising miraculous results. However, nature has bestowed upon us a treasure trove of rare herbs and spices that have been revered for their hair-enhancing properties for centuries. These natural wonders possess the power to transform your tresses from dull and lifeless to lustrous and vibrant. As an avid explorer of ancient hair care rituals, I have delved deep into the realms of rare herbs and spices, uncovering their secrets and harnessing their potent benefits. Join me on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of these botanical marvels and unlock the path to gorgeous, healthy hair. In this video, I'll empower you with the knowledge and tools to embrace the transformative power of rare herbs and spices, allowing you to bid farewell to harsh chemicals and embrace a more natural, holistic approach to hair care. In a world increasingly conscious of the impact of synthetic chemicals on our health and the environment, the allure of natural ingredients has never been more compelling. Rare herbs and spices offer a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond their culinary applications, making them invaluable allies in the pursuit of gorgeous hair. Unlike their chemical counterparts, these natural wonders are free from harsh additives and toxins, providing a gentle yet effective solution for nurturing and revitalizing your tresses. By harnessing the potent compounds found in these botanical treasures, we can address a wide range of hair concerns, from dryness and brittleness to dandruff and premature graying. Moreover, the use of natural ingredients aligns with the growing eco-conscious movement, promoting sustainability and reducing our environmental footprint. By embracing rare herbs and spices, we not only nourish our hair, but also contribute to a greener, more responsible approach to personal care. While the power of rare herbs and spices may seem mystical, their efficacy is rooted in scientific principles. These botanical marvels are rich in a plethora of phytochemicals, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work in harmony to fortify and rejuvenate your hair from the inside out. Antioxidant properties. Many rare herbs and spices are packed with powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals, which can damage hair follicles and contribute to premature graying and hair loss. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, these natural wonders help to protect and strengthen your hair. Nutrient-rich compounds. Rare herbs and spices are veritable treasure troves of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. These compounds play crucial roles in promoting healthy hair growth, preventing breakage, and enhancing shine and luster. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Inflammation and microbial imbalances can lead to scalp issues, such as dandruff, itchiness, and hair thinning. Many rare herbs and spices possess potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helping to soothe and protect the scalp, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. By understanding the scientific underpinnings of these natural wonders, we can harness their full potential and unlock the secrets to truly gorgeous hair. As we delve deeper into the world of rare herbs and spices, a captivating array of botanical treasures unveils itself, each offering unique and powerful benefits for your hair. Let's explore some of the most revered and sought-after rare herbs and spices that have been celebrated for their hair-enhancing properties. Amla, Indian gooseberry, hailed as a superfood for hair. Amla is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. It helps to strengthen hair follicles, promote hair growth, and prevent premature graying. Bringraj, false daisy, this ancient Ayurvedic herb, has been revered for its ability to stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and impart a lustrous shine to your locks. Fenugreek, packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Fenugreek has been used for centuries to nourish and condition hair, preventing dryness and breakage. Brahmi, Bacopa minieri, renowned for its rejuvenating properties. Brahmi is believed to enhance blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing premature graying. Henna, a natural dye derived from the henna plant. This vibrant spice not only imparts rich, long-lasting color to your hair, but also conditions and strengthens it from root to tip. Curry leaves, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Curry leaves have been praised for their ability to stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and add luster to dull, lifeless tresses. Turmeric. This golden spice is not only a culinary delight, but also a potent hair care ally. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help to soothe scalp issues, while its antioxidants protect against environmental stressors. These are just a few examples of the rare herbs and spices that have been cherished for their hair-enhancing properties across cultures and generations. Each one offers a unique blend of natural compounds that work in harmony to nourish, strengthen, and revitalize your hair. Embracing the power of rare herbs and spices for gorgeous hair doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a few simple ingredients and a touch of creativity, you can craft your own luxurious hair treatments right in the comfort of your home. Here are some easy-to-make DIY hair treatments that harness the potency of these botanical wonders. Amla Hair Mask. Combine amla powder with coconut oil and honey to create a deeply nourishing hair mask that strengthens and conditions your tresses. Bringraj Hair Oil. Infuse bringraj leaves in coconut or olive oil to create a potent hair oil that promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. Fenugreek Hair Pack. Mix fenugreek powder with yogurt and egg to create a protein-rich hair pack that nourishes and repairs damaged hair. Brahmi Hair Rinse. Steep brahmi leaves in water to create a refreshing hair rinse that invigorates the scalp and enhances hair growth. Henna Hair Dye. Mix henna powder with warm water and your choice of natural ingredients, such as lemon juice, coffee, or herbs, to create a vibrant, conditioning hair dye. Curry Leaf Hair Tonic. Boil curry leaves in water and let it cool to create a hair tonic that promotes hair growth and adds shine. Turmeric Hair Mask. Combine turmeric powder with coconut milk and honey to create a soothing hair mask that nourishes and protects your tresses. These DIY treatments not only allow you to harness the power of rare herbs and spices, but also provide a therapeutic and relaxing experience, fostering a deeper connection with nature and self-care. While DIY treatments offer a hands-on approach to harnessing the power of rare herbs and spices, incorporating these natural wonders into your regular hair care routine can provide ongoing benefits and long-lasting results. Here are some practical tips for seamlessly integrating these botanical treasures into your daily hair care regimen. Hair oils and serums. Look for hair oils and serums infused with rare herbs and spices like amla, bringraj, and fenugreek. These nourishing formulas can be applied to the scalp and hair lengths for deep conditioning and protection. Shampoos and conditioners. Choose hair care products that feature rare herbs and spices as key ingredients. These gentle yet effective formulas can help to cleanse, nourish, and revitalize your hair with every wash. Hair masks and treatments. Indulge in weekly hair masks or treatments that harness the power of rare herbs and spices. These intensive treatments can help to repair damage, promote growth, and restore vibrancy to your tresses. Hair supplements. Consider supplementing your diet with hair-friendly herbs and spices like amla, brahmi, and fenugreek. These natural supplements can provide essential nutrients to support healthy hair growth from the inside out. Ayurvedic hair care rituals. Explore the ancient wisdom of Ayurvedic hair care practices, which often incorporate rare herbs and spices into their time-honored rituals. These holistic approaches can help to balance the doshas and promote overall hair health. No matter the hair concern you may face, rare herbs and spices offer a potent and natural solution. From thinning and hair loss to dryness and dandruff, these botanical marvels have the power to address a wide range of hair issues. Let's explore how rare herbs and spices can help you overcome common hair problems. Hair loss and thinning. Herbs like bringraj, amla, and brahmi are renowned for their ability to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. Their nutrient-rich compounds nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth cycles. Dandruff and scalp issues. Spices like turmeric and curry leaves possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help to soothe scalp irritation, combat dandruff, and restore a healthy scalp environment. Dryness and brittleness. Fenugreek, henna, and amla are rich in proteins, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that deeply condition and nourish dry, brittle hair. restoring its strength and elasticity. Premature graying. The antioxidant-rich properties of amla, brahmi, and curry leaves can help to combat free radicals, which contribute to premature graying. These natural wonders can help to delay and even reverse the graying process. Dull and lifeless hair. Herbs like fenugreek, henna, and bringraj are known for their ability to impart a vibrant shine and luster to dull, lifeless hair, thanks to their conditioning and nourishing properties. Throughout history, various cultures have embraced the power of rare herbs and spices in their hair care rituals, passing down their wisdom from generation to generation. These ancient practices hold the key to unlocking the full potential of these botanical wonders, offering a holistic approach to hair care that transcends mere physical beauty. Ayurvedic hair care. Rooted in the ancient Indian system of Ayurveda, these hair care rituals incorporate rare herbs and spices like amla, brahmi, and bringraj to promote balance and harmony within the body and mind. Ayurvedic hair care practices not only nourish the hair, but also foster a deeper connection with nature and self-care. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM has long recognized the power of rare herbs and spices in promoting hair health. Herbs like Yishou Wu and ginseng are revered for their ability to nourish the blood and promote hair growth, while spices like cinnamon and ginger are believed to stimulate circulation and enhance overall hair vitality. Middle Eastern traditions. In the Middle East, henna has been a beloved hair care ingredient for centuries, celebrated for its ability to impart vibrant color, condition, and strengthen the hair. Ancient rituals involving henna, combined with other rare herbs and spices, have been passed down through generations, offering a holistic approach to hair care. Indigenous practices. Many indigenous cultures around the world have developed their own hair care rituals using locally sourced rare herbs and spices. From the Amazonian rainforest to the Pacific Islands, these ancient practices honor the power of nature and the interconnectedness of hair, body, and spirit. As the demand for natural and effective hair care solutions continues to grow, many brands have recognized the immense potential of rare herbs and spices. These innovative companies have dedicated themselves to harnessing the power of these botanical treasures, creating high-quality products that deliver exceptional results. Here are some of the best brands and products that harness the power of rare herbs and spices for hair. Kama Ayurveda. This Indian Ayurvedic brand offers a range of hair care products infused with rare herbs like amla, bringraj, and brahmi, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Shea Moisture. Known for its commitment to natural and sustainable ingredients, Shea Moisture offers a line of hair care products featuring rare herbs and spices like fenugreek, henna, and turmeric, providing nourishment and protection for all hair types. Moroccan Oil. Renowned for its argan oil-based products, Moroccan Oil has expanded its offerings to include hair care lines infused with rare herbs like rosemary and ginger, promoting scalp health and hair growth. Rawa. This luxury hair care brand is dedicated to preserving the ancient beauty rituals of the Amazon, incorporating rare Amazonian herbs and oils into its products for revitalized, radiant hair. Hask. With a focus on affordable, natural hair care solutions, Hask offers a range of products featuring rare herbs and spices like amla, curry leaves, and ginger, providing nourishment and protection for all hair types. Aveda. This iconic brand is committed to using plant-based ingredients, including rare herbs and spices like turmeric, amla, and ginseng, in its hair care products, promoting healthy hair growth and vibrant color. Weedad. Specializing in curly hair care, Weedad offers a line of products infused with rare herbs like fenugreek and hibiscus, providing curl definition, moisture, and frizz control. As we come to the end of our journey through the captivating world of rare herbs and spices for hair care, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Nature has provided us with a treasure trove of botanical marvels that hold the key to unlocking truly gorgeous, healthy hair. By embracing the power of these rare herbs and spices, we can bid farewell to harsh chemicals and synthetic products, and instead, embrace a more natural, holistic approach to hair care. From the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to the cutting-edge innovations of modern hair care brands, these natural wonders offer a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond mere physical beauty. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of natural health.